Thing is this, my friends, the song we sang on that fateful night, it didn't actually sound anything like this song. This is just a tribute. You